Hey guys, if some or all of the keys on your HP laptop keyboard have stopped responding, you're in the right place. Keyboard problems on HP laptops are often caused by a temporary driver error, filter keys being enabled, outdated keyboard software, or dust trap beneath the keys. In some cases, Windows updates or an incomplete startup can also prevent the keyboard from working normally. Before assuming the keyboard has failed, it's worth checking these common causes first. These are the steps you can try to fix this and get your HP laptop keyboard working again. So, let's get started. 1. Restart the laptop, then test the keyboard in the BIOS by pressing ESC during startup. 2. Turn filter keys off from settings, then accessibility, then keyboard. 3. Open device manager, uninstall the keyboard driver and restart Windows to reinstall it automatically. 4. Clean around the affected keys with compressed air to remove trapped dust or debris. 5. Run HP PC hardware diagnostics and install any available Windows, BIOS or HP driver updates.